Hello everyone, in this video we will complete the exercises of the session 2. So let's get started. In today's session we will learn how to use the words we learned in the last session. So we will begin with the correct pronunciation of the words. Before we begin, I want to tell you that keep the pronunciation system in mind. Like here in all these words like ego, so E is in capitalized letter in uppercase letter and it has an accent mark. So all these words will be stressed because they are in capital letters and have an accent mark. The simple reason. And also remember schwa, like here is schwa, here is schwa. Schwa means that these words are neglected. They are pronounced as if they are not there. Very little stress. So ego, egocentric, egomaniac, egomaniacal. It's not egomaniacal. It will be the wrong pronunciation. The correct pronunciation will be egomaniacal, altruism, altruistic, to alternate, alternative. It will not be alternative, it will be alternative. At it is accent mark here in the uppercase letters and here's a shaw, so it will be alternative, alteration, A is stressed. Moving on, there are a few more words, so let's have a look. To alter, alter, altercation, K is stressed. Alter ego, two syllables, all and E, alter ego. Next we have an exercise that we have to match the definitions to the word. So first word is ego. So ego is one's concept of oneself. Egocentric is one who is excessively fixated on his own desires, needs, etc. Altruism is a helping person, so F will be the correct option. To alternate means to change. Altercation is argument, and to alter, to take one, skip one, like alternate. Next, we have a similar exercise. Egomaniacal, interested no way, morbidly, obsessively wrapped up in oneself. Altruistic is a helping person interested in the welfare of others. One's other self is alter ego. Alternative is a change. Alteration is a choice. And what is left? Alternate is other possible. Moving on, do we understand these words? Is rejection usually a blow to one's ego? Yes. Are egocentric people easy to get along with? No, because they are self-centered. Does an egomaniac have a normal personality? No. Are egomaniacal tendencies a sign of maturity? No way. Is altruism a characteristic of selfish people? No. Altruism are helping people that are more concerned for the other person rather than their own self. Are altruistic tendencies common to egoists? No. Is an alternate plan necessarily inferior? Alternate plan necessarily inferior, not necessary, I think so. Does an alternative allow you some freedom of choice? Yes. Does alteration imply keeping things the same? No. Alteration is basically change. Do excitable people often engage in altercations? Yes, we saw that this line was written. Is your alter ego usually quite similar to yourself? Yes. Alter ego is another person of oneself, the person who is very similar to you, your alter ego. You can check the answers here. Can you recall the words? It's checking our recalling capacity, so let's start. One's other self is alter ego. To change is to alter. A heated dispute, altercation. Excessively morbidly obsessed is, if you remember the keywords, you can just check the words. So it will be egomaniacal, unselfish, more interested in the welfares of others than in one's own. So it's altruist. Utterly involved with oneself, self-centered. This is the keyword. So egocentric. Choice, alternative, one who substitutes for another, alternate. Please do not get confused in these two words. If you have confusion, please watch the previous video in which we discussed these in detail. Moving on, you can check the answers right here, and it is written that end of session 2. We also completed session 2. In the next video, we will start with session 3.